Greetings everyone, ST's here, and today the second video that I'm making is Five Nights at Freddy's Sister Location, Funko action figures, and Ballora, of course. And this is quite... And for the stickers, it's quite weird that it's kind of coming off. Maybe... What's happening? The glue is not that sticky, is it? And this is quite not balanced. Let's have the baby package. Yeah, they stick it a bit. Can you tell? Yeah, there's a gap here and it's just gone. Yeah. Okay. So for the package itself, the design is nice, just a little bit error here. Yeah, whatever. I'm going to throw this package away anyways. Action figure, and then but there was face here. Nice funko. Figure here. Same stuff. Collect all 4 to have entered entire group. Okay, and those wires, is it? I'm not too sure it's string or wire. I think it's wire and it's made of wires. And some more information, I will not read it out. Oh, is there a choking hazard here? Yeah, same stuff. So let's just open this figure out. Yeah. Since she's not a guy. I open this gal out, is it? Yeah, whatever. Let's do this. Yep. Ooh, no. Yes, get it. Or no, the table. Off. Come on, just come out. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Whoa. Hey. Why do you hide inside your box? So here we have her, the ballerina in the game. Wait, there's some mini arenas as well. I wish they make that. I kind of like those. Yeah, the faces of those. Oh, quite cute. But what if they didn't make it, so no. The little ballerina, little arena. Is it ballerina? Whatever. So here's Ballora. She's quite the dancer. Yeah, quite. Yeah, she's so thin. Baby is fat and she is thin. Yeah, nice body she has. The legs. Oh, it comes off. Okay. What the heck? It's the blue is coming out. Yeah, I can see the white here. Whatever. If I put her here, it just stands here. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see. Can she stand in the without stand? Need to be a little bit more adjusted. There we go. No. Okay, let's see. Oh wait, let's have her music box playing. Much better, much more fitting. Yay. Whatever, I know she can, but I just don't have that much time to see you stand. So let's see, can her... Oh, yes, there we go. And here... Ooh, yeah. Ooh, have a robot dance. Let's see, and this, and this. Ooh, I am a robot. It's Dominic. Quite nice. Okay, looks like there's a lot of things need to be adjusted if I need to put her in different poses. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Oh, this pot can turn. It can't turn. Yeah, it's quite hard. I don't want to break it off. So let's have her normal pose. Yeah, this is quite weird. It's okay, whatever. Let's just put her back in her normal position. Okay, what? Why can't I? Okay, it can turn. Just super tight. Oh my god, it just like fighting something. Luckily there's that music box to calm me down. Okay, let's see this and this. Oh, a little bit more. Like this. Is it? Almost. Whatever. Let's just do it like this then. Her head spins around, of course. Quite a small head than baby. And her torso. Quite interesting blue design here. Yeah. Let's not talk about that. Quite sensitive. Okay, let's see this. Oh, she can't spin here? Only a bit. Not entire way round. Oh, there we go. Need to be a little bit more string on it. On her. So at the bottom, just one hole? Seriously? Can't you just make two have the same hole? Yeah, I want to do this and you don't let me. Whatever. Let's just do it like this then. Having her on the stand. Wait, did I put it wrong? Oh, there we go. Yeah, much more stabilized. Let's see her legs. Yeah, do this, of course, do this, yes. Oh, can she do the normal ballerina stuff? Yeah, we sure can dance the black swans. Yeah, but looks like her hands can't touch each other. Almost, but no. Sadly, no. See, yeah, this doesn't move that much, is it? Why this move and this doesn't? What the heck? Is there some problem? I don't see any. Yeah, this doesn't move. Yeah, this doesn't, but this does. What the? Is this? I'm so confused. Ain't this the same hand? Why can't this move? Just turn, but not anything else. Yeah. So can I pull her hand a bit more out so it can move a bit more? Yeah, quite hard here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, much more better. Okay, there we go. So let's try this again. And hopefully it will just... Oh, come on, not again. Now what? Now what? I just want her to do the pose. Is it really that hard? I just make her in the pose. Okay, this, like this. Yeah, it's... Okay, that finally came off somehow. There we go. Yeah, now it's just like put your hands on your head and got arrested by the cops. Whatever, let's not do that. So infuriating. Oh, now you come off again. Is it really that hard to fix? Yeah, looks like this is hard to... Yeah, the articulation is not that well. Yeah, it is comparing to baby. So, let's talk about her details again. So, she have her purple or pink? I think it's purple. Dress with some yellow dots. And oh, quite nice. Her stockings is pretty detailed. I like this. Nice printing. Blue shoes with yellow dots. The stand is... It looks like a cake. That makes me kind of hungry. Just because of the design here. Looks like a cake. I really want some cake. What's this on her head? Quite pretty, isn't it? Some kind of... I forgot the word again. Whatever. Okay, her ears with a little bit of earring. I wonder why is her eyes closed. I think it might be more creepier if she opened her eyes. Whatever. Whatever, let's not care about that. It's God's design, so... Let's let it be... pink cheeks, not red. Is it pink? Yeah, at least it's lighter than this purple. It looks pink for me. So, I think this will be the end of the review. Oh wait, it comes with Annette's hand. Yeah, it looks like this, yeah. This is Annette's thumb, I think. Probably. Any eyeballs here? Oh, there's one. One on the back of Annette's white arm. Yeah, you look like this, and this is her white. It's white. Okay, yeah. So let's put it right next to Annette. Behind the camera, of course. Like this. Fantastic. Waiting to be complete. So, here we have it. Ballora. Having that creepy, pretty look. About the music, it makes me feel like it's kind of I forgot the words again. Why do I always forget the words? What kind of word do I want to use? As I was saying, the music makes me feel grieving beauty. Is this the right word? I think mostly, at least, it's kind of elegant. Yeah, elegant, but in grief. Is it? Does this make any sense? Whatever. And this figure looks great, and I like it, and yeah, nice collection from for me. Yeah. So this will be the end of this review, and next time I'm going to have Funtime Foxy on here. Yeah. So see you next time. Bye.